So get to, okay.
I am on the next level, next level, next level. You know all I know is go and get it, go and get it, go and get it. I am on the next level, next level, next level.
Okay, so today, better complexion with Brandless's $15 skin regimen. I've always sort of struggled a little bit with acne, so I've tried all sorts of things over the years, face washes, moisturizer, just basically washing my face with water, with coconut oil, moisturizing with coconut oil. Yeah, it seemed to kind of work for a bit, but then yeah, I did kind of realize, all right, maybe my skin was kind of starting to look a little bit, it just wasn't looking fresh and glowy and, you know. So I was using Brandless for a while for kind of all my household items and really liked the quality of the product, especially for the fact that it was $3 per item. Organic, vegan, paraben-free, phthalate-free, all that good stuff. Cut to when they introduced their beauty products, I got a little curious. First got the face wash and the moisturizer and decided to give it a go. So I was really happy with the results I was seeing with those two items, so I decided to go all out and get all 5 items, all for $15. Yes, $15. So without further ado, let's dive into the 5 products. So here we have the facial cleanser, antioxidizing fruit extract, sulfate-free, no phthalates, no animal testing. If you look at the ingredients, it's pretty straightforward. You know, it doesn't have like a novel written on the back of all the ingredients. I can pretty much understand each word that is listed, which is definitely a very good sign. The smell is absolutely lovely. It's a grapefruit smell, so it's just really fresh and sort of just not overpowering. And after washing with it, I feel very fresh-faced and my skin does not feel all dried out. So on to the next one, which is the facial scrub, the exfoliator. Like super short list of ingredients. On the back it says gluten-free and dye-free. Or I didn't really realize that you could have gluten or dye in your facial scrub, but there you go. It doesn't have it, so that's good. Love the smell. This one also is grapefruit. When I wash with this, what I love about it the most is it's really sort of, the texture is very gentle. I have sensitive skin and a lot of exfoliators definitely irritate the crud out of my skin, therefore just causing more damage than needed or wanted. And afterwards, my skin feels baby bottom smooth. Next one is the facial toner. It says witch hazel astringent. Witch hazel is like just like a magical ingredient. Scent of this one is green apple and it's absolutely delicious. It's just super gentle on my sensitive skin. Just tones it up. Just what you need it for. And big plus, it doesn't burn, because you probably shouldn't be putting stuff on your skin that burns. Would think that would be an obvious one, but facial lotion, facial moisturizer. And this one is moisturizing aloe. Who doesn't love aloe? This one's kind of got a little bit longer of an ingredients list, but for the most part, like I said, no scary ingredients. When you put it on your skin, you can just feel it sort of absorbing the moisture, but it doesn't feel like it's clogging your pores. It doesn't feel like it's caked on and just heavy and sitting on your skin, which to me is like the worst thing ever. I hate feeling like I want to wash my face after I just washed my face. Lastly is the night cream. I never really have been one for night cream because, again, I feel like a lot of night cream just kind of feels cakey and just sits on your skin and it just feels gross, and I struggle to sleep when I feel like my skin can't breathe. So yeah, this one is moisturizing shea butter. It has a really nice fresh smell, and when you wake up in the morning, your skin just feels absolutely fresh and revived from its night cream sleep. So, I mean, there you go. I will say when I've used all 5 items consistently on a regular routine, I've definitely seen really good results. You can buy it and try it out, and if it doesn't work for you, you're out $15. I mean, $15, that's, you know, that's lunch. Not like a lot of these where you spend $150 and you're out $150, which is like an outfit or a really good pair of jeans. So, I mean, do you really want to miss out on a really good pair of jeans? So that's it for today. I hope you liked this episode. If so, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and as always, make sure you subscribe for future weekly episodes. All right, have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll be chatting soon. Bye.